Hello, we are in part 3 of the grammar summary of Unit 4. This grammar summary is very important because we are going to explain how we can put together simple past tense and past continuous. When we use the past continuous, when we want to show a longer action in the past, but this action can be interrupted, can be stopped. So, the interruption is usually a shorter action in the simple past, and that is the way these two tenses are combined together, Good. So here is the line of time. We have the past and the present. All these events are in the past. While an event is going on in the past, it is interrupted here, is stopped, So we have a continuous action and then we have an interruption here, a stop, that is the simple past. So to explain, we have here one sentence. He was talking on the phone when the storm began. So here we have two sentences, two complete sentences. He was talking on the phone. One sentence, one complete idea in the past continuous. The past continuous is with the verb to be in the past and the verb with ing. So subject, verb, and the complement. But also here we have another sentence that is complete. The storm began. The storm is the subject and we have a verb in the simple past. Began is an irregular verb of the verb begin. And we have here when. When is a conjunction that links, put together two sentences. Good. So he was talking on the phone when the storm began. Past continuous, continuous action, and we have a simple past tense that is completed action, finished action. Perfect. Let's continue. While I was living in Ibarra, I got married. The same thing. We have a past continuous action and we have a simple past tense, a finished, complete action in the past. And here we have while. Now, we can use the same sentence, and we can move, the order of the sentences, and they have the same meaning, I got married while I was living in Ibarra. But here in this sentence, we do not need the comma. Remember that here we need a comma because it begins with a conjunction, with while. So in order to separate both ideas, both complete sentences, we need a comma. But if you do not begin with a conjunction, we do not need a comma. So these conjunctions could be when, while, because, and so. And they are often used in sentences that contrast continuing and complete actions in the past. Good. So let's have a look, a closer look, of what we are explaining. Here we have the conjunctions because, while, when, and so. Because the driver crashed because he was talking by the phone. past continuous, gives a reason in the past. While we use these actions that have duration, past continuous. While means continuous action, so we use it after while. We use after while a past continuous. While I was traveling through Ecuador, I met a group of tourists in Manta. Yeah, here we have the comma to divide both sentences, two ideas, two clauses. With when, time, we use with finished actions with simple past. We were having lunch, continuous. We were having lunch in Pedernales. What happened? When the earthquake happened. Okay, good. Simple past. After when, simple past. With so expresses a consequence. They were enjoying the boat, continuous action, so they didn't get off the boat. So they didn't get, simple past. Okay, let's do some exercises to apply these rules. Choose the correct option. Present, simple past or past continuous. She attended school when. Okay, what is after when? Okay, good. So for the first one, she was taking a test at school when she heard the fire alarm. While Marco was swimming, remember that after while we have a past continuous. A shark suddenly appeared. Okay. Kale was jogging by the river when she lost her keys. It was raining, so they didn't take their raincoats. Okay, good. So for more practice, additional practice, you can do exercises on pages 48 and 49 of the book. Hope you like it. Okay, and it's very clear for you now. Thank you. Additionally, we have some practice of prepositions of time. This is only an extra one because we already learned in past unit. Okay, when we use on, in, and at. Okay, on is for days and dates, in for periods of time, and at for a specific time. Okay, we travel to the beach at 9 o'clock, specific time. We travel to the beach on Thursdays. Okay, good. Okay, we have additional exercises on page 50. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.